Hello, in this video I'll show you how to create a teaser for your course. A teaser allows potential learners to preview part of your course without registration. To create such teaser, go to the Courses section and select the course you want to create a teaser for. And in the Courses settings, enable the teaser option. Specify how many lessons will be available to preview without registration. It is important to note that quizzes cannot be added to the teaser. Copy the generated teaser link and share it with the potential learners. Users who follow the link will be able to view the lessons in the guest mode. When trying to access a locked lesson, the user will see a prompt to enter their email address. After email is entered, you'll receive a notification showing the user's interest in your course. That's how easy it is to create a teaser and attract new learners. I hope that helped and good luck with your academy.